How to create multiple email addresses in one Gmail account. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, click on Settings located on top right corner of your screen. Then you will find all these options pop up. In these options, click on See All Settings, which is the first option. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll all the way down, you will find Send Mail As. As you can see, there is different name. You can even add another email address, or simply go to Compose, add your Gmail that you want to change, and in original email ID, which is the main mail, write the same mail and then add @googlegmail.com instead of only gmail.com. In subject, changing email domain. After that, send. After that, you're good to go. Your mail will be changed. That's how to create multiple email addresses in one Gmail account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.